हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द टीचिल। इस वीडियो में हम देखते हैं हाउ टू क्रिएट मोशन पिक्चर फॉर ए म्यूजिक। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे canva.com। okay, so here you can see the create designing, so I'm clicking this button. So as we are creating one poster, just let me select this one. Otherwise I select any other type of resolution. Okay, so I'm selecting here poster. Okay, now it's just loading. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि म्यूजिक, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक के लिए हम एक पोस्टर बनाते हैं। ओके, सो यू कैन सी दिस वाइट कलर इज कमिंग। so first in this tutorial we are going to use these two photos. So let me upload these two photo here. Okay, I'll go to the photos. Okay, so here you can see photos also available, otherwise you can upload your photo and use also. So I'll go to the upload. Okay, here I'm selecting the upload button. Okay, so I need to select these two, click open. So this image will be here. Okay, it will take some time for loading. Now you can see these two images we are going to use. Okay, first we are giving one color to our background. So I'm selecting here elements. If anything is there, then you can select here. Just let me go for any gradient color is there or not. Okay, go to template. So here just first I'm giving one color here. Just I'm giving this red color. Nice. Okay, so I need to give some gradient effect here. So I'll check. Okay, there is no gradient option here. So as you can see, you can select anything here, like I'm selecting the music poster. Okay, nice. So I'll keep this one. So it's just loading. Okay, so what I can say, I can select this one, I can delete it. Okay, so first I need to delete this one. Okay, otherwise you can select any of the poster here. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. So then I have to go to more. Let's see, any option is here. Yeah, some background. Okay, I need to select some more reddish color. So blue also fine. So yeah, I need to select this one. Okay, first what I can do, I can delete this poster and I can use this one. Okay, so for this I need to choose the color. Image also you can use gradient, you can brightness, anything you can use. So then I'll go to the image. Okay, let me zoom it a little bit, keep it down. Okay, and I'm going to use this headphone as well. Let me decrease this size and put it in this corner. Okay, I need to put some text here. Just I'm adding this one. This will be the good. I'll keep it in center. Okay, nice. And just a little bit zoom. Okay. Instead of low, I can use any text here. Just double click, select all text. I'm writing here music. Nice. So in this text also you can play any of the like effects. I'll go to the animation. So here you can see this one. This all these types of posters are available. Means animations are available. As you can see, all poster animations also available here. Okay, Okay, so for this I'm just selecting this one. Okay, this will be the file. Then I'm selecting this text. I'll go to text. For the text I'm selecting this type of like animation. Okay, I'm selecting this one. So one more thing here, this is the icon. This icon also we can change little bit more. Okay, this will be the file. Let's play once again. Go to upload. It's not required. Videos, audios, anything you can upload here. Okay, let me play once. This is the poster we have made. So what I can do, so we need to put some music, because instead of music it will be not look good. So I'll go to the audio. I'll select any of the audio here. I think I'm selecting this one. Let me increase the sound a little bit. So now I'm going to play this one. You can see. So in this way you can create your poster of your music. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share this video to your friends.